Work great or fail for FreedConn R1 Pro 2K motorcycle camera with music sharing helmet Bluetooth headset. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Click link in YouTube description for more information, reviews and others. Definition upgrade motorcycle helmet headset with camera. FreedConn R1 Pro has a new upgraded camera, which has been upgraded from 1080p to 2K, giving you a clearer visual enjoyment. Compared with the 120 degrees wide-angle lens of the previous generation, we have used a wider 140 degree wide-angle lens this time, giving you a wider field of view. Motorcycle helmet headset will clearly record and capture exciting moments. Music sharing and multi-brand interconnection. The new FreedConn R1 Pro can now also implement the music sharing function. The operation is simple, and share your favorite music with her in the back seat. At the same time, R1 Pro supports connection with other brands. 90% of the headphones on the market can be connected, and you can talk freely with your friends after a simple connection. Stronger connection 8-way 1500-meter Bluetooth motorcycle helmet. Support 8-person walkie-talkie/walkie-talkie, the longest distance can reach 1500 meters. Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures more stable helmet communication. Wireless intercom and Bluetooth connection. Connect two Bluetooth devices at the same time, so you won't miss any calls while listening to music. Ultra-long battery life motorcycle camera. 1500 mAh high-performance lithium battery has long battery life. After 2.5 hours of full charge, this Bluetooth communication device supports 12 days of standby time. 30 hours of phone calls, 4.5 hours of video recording, or 48 hours of music time. Can be used while charging, does not affect riding. Rotary button one-key operation. One-touch answering and rejecting incoming calls, voice calls by activating Siri/Bixby and more, volume adjustment, play/pause music, FM radio and GPS navigation audio. High-quality earphones and full stereo hi-fi speakers are provided with the package. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.